Yeah, so what is your previous experience and everything? Please tell me briefly. So
okay.
yeah.
Your question is my experience in software, Tm1 software, or?
So what is your previous experience? What are the technologies or working on everything? Please briefly.
Okay. Okay, I'm an accountant. I work as a financial analyst. I have experience on Navision and JET reporting, Excel access. My company is willing to implement the for planning, budgeting, and scorecarding Tm1 software, and they are willing me to have experience. They're asking me if I could have get trained on cubes and Tm1 report writing, cubes and analysis and things like that.
Right. Okay. Okay, fine. So okay, good. So you don't have Cognos experience. You don't have, right?
No,
so only,
I don't.
Yeah, okay, fine. My name is Hari. I have 7+ years of experience, Cognos and Cognos Tm1.
Okay.
Okay. I have completed 10 certifications in Cognos and Cognos Tm1. Okay, last 4 years onwards, I am giving the online trainings, Cognos and Cognos Administration and Cognos Tm1. Okay, that's it, my side. Okay, so I'll start.
Okay, thank you.
So before, so you don't know, right, a data warehousing. Why? Because you are not in the data warehouse background, right? So first I will explain you. So what is the data warehouse? Then I will come to the Tm1. So here, data, you know, right? What is the data? Data is a collection of information. Collection of information. So these are all the information you can put one place. Means so here, so current data, latest data, historical data, all the data we can put one place. That is called data warehouse. This is the in general definition. General definition. So collection of information, all the past, historical, all the information you can put one place. That is called data warehouse. This data warehouse divided two parts. ETL and reporting. ETL, so many tools. ETL means extraction, transformation and loading. Okay, ETL plus reporting. ETL jobs means ETL job is the different, reporting job is the different. ETL means extraction, transformation, loading. Here so many tools are available in the market. Informatica, data stage, ab initio. So many tools are there. These three in the hot in the market. Coming to the reporting side, Cognos, ClickView, MicroStrategy. So many tools are there. These are all the RO lab tools. So not possible to create the cubes. Okay. So that's why this is the IBM tool. Cognos is the IBM tool. So then IBM is introduced only cube, RO lab, MO lab. MO lab means cube based. So only that is called Cognos Tm1. Cognos Tm1. Tm1 means table manager. Cognos Tm1. It is purely cube based. So not generated the relational reports, not possible. Only purely pure cube. Okay, what is the advantage of Cognos Tm1? Cognos Tm1 contain ETL job plus reporting job plus modeling and Cognos planning. If you learn the Cognos Tm1, these are all are ETL. So here what are the things they are doing, right? Same work is came. So Cognos job, that one is came, modeling and Cognos planning. These are 4 containing one tool. That is, yes. Any queries? If you have any queries, immediately you can raise the question, not a problem. Okay, that is called Cognos Tm1. Okay, so Cognos Tm1 means IBM Cognos Tm1 means that is IBM was introduced to the Tm1, right? That's why the name was IBM Cognos Tm1. It contained ATL job, reporting, modeling, and Cognos planning. Cognos planning. These four one tool. Okay, now I'll move to the Tm1. So now I'll give the. So today we will discuss what is the version history. What are the versions are? Introduction, version history, architecture, component, features, and benefits. These are all the things we will discuss one by one. Okay. So first one, the Tm1. So the first Tm1 in 1983. So it was started. So research in 1983. The company was Uplex. The company was Uplex. So it was introduced in 1983. The name was Uplex Tm1. Starting name was Uplex Tm1. It is a pure MOLAP tool. It is a pure MOLAP means multi-dimensional online analytical process. Multi-dimensional. Okay. So in 1983 it was introduced. So the name was Uplex Tm1. First starting. Later in 2007 Cognos was acquired. So Cognos was acquired. Entire application and rebinded all the application. The name was changed. So Cognos Tm1. 2007 the name was Cognos Tm1. Later in 2008 IBM. So IBM was acquired. The name was changed and so IBM Cognos Tm1. Now the name of the Tm1 is IBM Cognos Tm1. 2008 onwards, very good market in the Tm1. Why? Because IBM is acquired. Every year the new features are increased. They are giving the new release, new version, and giving to the new features from that tool. Okay, from that tool. That is the main advantage. That's why 2009 onwards, very good. So very popular in the Cognos Tm1. Why? Because budgeting, planning, forecasting. Okay, you can create one key. We can analyze the multi levels, year wise, quarter wise, month wise, day wise. So that is the main advantage of the Tm1. Okay, here. So Tm1 is the pure MOLAP tool. Tm1 means table manager. Table manager. So here version history. That is the introduction part. Just so first starting in 1983, the company was Uplex. It was started Uplex. That's why the name was Uplex Tm1. Okay, later in 2010, so the name was 2007 Cognos is acquired Cognos Tm1. Later 2008 IBM was acquired IBM. Now the name present name is the IBM Cognos Tm1. Okay, here what are the versions are came. So already I told you, right? So Uplex is the parent. So starting. So the name, so Uplex was released two versions. Uplex Tm1 8.9 and Uplex Tm1 9.0. These two are non-Unicode. Okay. So what is the Unicode? What is the difference between the non-Unicode and Unicode? I will tell you later. Okay. So later Cognos is acquired and rebind all the application. The name was IBM Cognos Tm1 9.1. The version was 9.1 Unicode in 2007. What is the difference between the non-Unicode and Unicode? If you are using in the non-Unicode, you cannot possible to migrate and upgrade the project. For example, you are using the 8.9, so you can build the 10 cubes. You are building the 10 cubes, or you have built 20 cubes. Then the new version came 9.0. So why? Because it is a non-Unicode. You can start in scratch onwards. You can start the work. Scratch onwards, you can start the work. So not possible to migrate it. Not possible to upgrade it. That is the drawback of Uplex Tm1. Uplex Tm1. Later, Cognos is acquired, right? It is a universal. It is a universal. So any version you can migrate it, upgrade it. So that's why Cognos Tm1 is the Unicode. Later, so IBM was acquired. So it was released 9.4.1. So Tm1 workflow and Tm1 executive they are given. So what is the workflow? What is the executive? I will tell you. So these are the executive and workflow. Client can able to access it. So you know, right, Excel. So same thing, cube can able to access in the Excel format. Why? Because so very user flexibility is there in Excel, you know, right? Filtering, you want the charts or anything, you can enter it. All the flexibilities are there in the Excel. That's why Cognos Tm1 has introduced all the cubes you can able to view it in the Excel format. Okay. Next one, in 9.4, planning. Previously, Cognos planning is a separate tool, separate job. But in 2010, they are included in the Cognos TM1 only. So no need to require planning job. So it can be included in the Cognos TM1. Okay. So next, so 9.5.1, undo and redo. So by mistake you have deleted any cube, you can undo it immediately. That one is cube. Previously not there. So they are introduced undo and redo options. Okay. In Cognos, so now latest version is the Cognos, IBM Cognos 10.2.1. IBM Cognos 10.2.1. Okay, I will provide the software for you only 10.2.1. That is the latest version. Okay, any queries? Did?
No, so far so good.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, now what is the TM1? So Cognos TM1 means table manager. It is a client server architecture. It is a client server architecture. It is a pure MOLAP tool. Pure MOLAP tool. And it is a in-memory tool. If your memory is good, the performance was good. Okay. So all other tools in the market not possible. It is a in-memory tool. So based on your memory, so your memory is good, the performance was very good. Okay, that is these are all the main advantages of TM1. Okay, next TM1, using the TM1, it is a client server model. You can apply the security, read and write. So multi-dimensional calculation, you can, if you want to record any calculation, you can on the fly you can calculate in memory. These are all the flexibilities are there. Okay, these are all the flexibilities are there in this tool. Okay, so introduction to in this one, so the main thing is the budgeting. So budgeting, planning, forecasting, financial and operational apps. So budgeting, for example, so budget is there. So year wise you can analysis, quarter wise you can analysis, month wise one cube. So only budget cube. Using that budget cube, you can analysis the year wise, quarter wise, month wise, day wise. So you can analysis the n level of analysis is there, only one cube. These are all the advantages. So based on these advantages, cubes is very popular in the market. Okay, here, so TM1 is a ETL modeling and reporting. It is supporting both Unix machine and Windows operating system. Both the operating system, it can be supported. So it will be supported both the operating systems. Okay, so this is the TM1. Any queries? Clear, right?
Yeah, I have a question. For example,
Yes.
you said
Yes.
budgeting one cube.
Right.
Sorry?
Yes, tell me.
So you said,
Yes.
you said for budgeting it's one cube.
Okay.
So would you train me to create those cubes?
Yes, I will train you.
Okay.
Yes, I will train you how to create the cubes and everything I will show you. Not only one cube, so 20 cubes I will show you how to create the cubes. So I will give the with practical examples also. I will give.
Okay.
So this is the architecture of TM1. If you know this architecture, then only you can easily understanding the TM1. If you know this architecture, then only you can easily understanding the TM1 architecture. Okay, here, so first client server architecture I told you, right? So first I will discuss this one, then I will move to this one. So here, this is the admin server. Admin server is the parent server. So if you started admin server, then only Cognos TM1 is working. So if you are creating any development server or production server, any server you are created, that server services are registered in the admin server. That server services are registered in admin server. Why? Because admin server is the parent server. So if you started admin server, then only these child servers are working. If you not started in the admin server, it cannot work in the child servers. That is the first point. Okay, why? Because admin server is the parent server. So using this server, you can create your dimensions, you can create your cubes, you can apply your business rules, all the things you can apply in the server. Then how to access it? Client can able to access the cubes and everything through Excel and web. So I will show you how to do it and everything. I will show you on the one by one class. Okay, so this is the client server architecture. Coming to the here, so three parts are there. This is the client aspect. Is first one. This one is the client aspect. Is client can able to view it in Excel format and web format. So okay, this is the client aspect. Is Tm1 prospectus means only client. So developer cannot involve it. Only end user. End user can involve it. They can see the cubes and everything. So our role is, so developer role is this one. So this is the main thing. This is the heart. Entire thing is, this is the heart. This is just you are creating the cubes here. The client can able to access it. If you want to create the cubes, you want to database, right? This is the database tier. You want to require data, right? The data came from, these are all the data sources. You can use ODBC SQL or ODBO or SAP BW or ASCII files. These are all the, anything you can use it as a data source. And here this is the Tm1 turbo integrator. That is the main. So you know Tm1 turbo integrator. So no Tm1, Cognos Tm1 is not available. So turbo integrator is the heart of entire Cognos Tm1. So why? Because it is all the things are depending on the Tm1 turbo integrator. What happened? It will be connected to the any data source and fetch the data, and it is working like a partial ETL job. It is working like a ETL, extraction, transformation and loading the data. It can be extracted, transforming. What are the format you want to require, you can transform it and load the data. These are all the benefits are there in the turbo integrator. Okay, these are all the benefits are there using the turbo integrator. Once you can import the data, you can create the cubes here. You can create the cubes and you can apply the business rules based on your requirement. You can apply the business rules, subsets, all the things you can apply here. Okay, you can apply what are the client you are expecting. So all the things you can apply here. Then so here you can access, see the cubes. This is the client prospectus. So client can able to access through web and or Excel format. So this is the Cognos architecture. Do you have any queries, Dim?
Yeah,
yes.
So Tm1 Turbo Integrator, meaning this all the information the company has in its software. For example, we use, let's say, SAP software. This
Right.
Tm1 Integrator integrate does it, how can I say, does it connect the information from the accounting software into Excel?
Yes, yes, yes. It can be integrated. It can be integrated. So it is, if you want SAP BW data you want required, it will be connected to the turbo integrator. You can fetch the what are the data you want required. You can import it. If you want to require any Excel files, you can take the Excel files also. Anything CSV file or SAP or DB2 or SQL server, anything you will be connected. So through turbo integrator, anything you can integrate it and you can connect it. You can import the data.
So
Yes.
that's how it is. Turbo Integrator, meaning it connects the
Data.
Tm1 with connects data from accounting software to the Tm1.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, and connecting to the data source and import the tables or data and load the data or any transformation, any changes you want to require, you can do it in the through turbo integrator.
And
That's
then
why
you go then to Tm1 server, which is the cubes and everything.
yes, yes, everything I will show you at the end of this. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why turbo integrator is the and heart of the Cognos Tm1. Heart of the Cognos Tm1. Okay, this is the clear, right? This picture is clear, right? So if you know this one, then you can easily understand. If you don't know, then I will explain you one more time.
Okay.
Is it clear, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Next, Tm1 mainly used for budgeting, forecasting, planning and analysis. So budgeting, forecasting and planning and analysis. These are all the main budgeting. So one cube we can using multiple analysis. Budget cube is there. Year wise we can able to see the budget, quarter wise we can able to see the budget, and day, month wise, day wise or week wise. Only one cube we can analysis. So this planning, analysis, these are all the main features of Cognos, IBM Cognos Tm1. So this is the architecture, data sources. You can use it any data source. You can use SAP or anything, data warehouse, GEL, CRM or anything. This integration means turbo integrated. Turbo integrated. It will be connected to the SAP connector or OLAP or SQL or data files or anything. It will be connected to the turbo integrator. This is the integration means turbo integrator. It will be connected, and here, so here what happened? Create the cubes. These are the cubes, data cube, metadata cube, business, all the things in memory cubes you can apply here. So any business rules or anything you can apply it. So client can able to access Excel format. This is the main advantage of Excel. So Excel, so many user flexibilities are there, you know, right? So you want to see the data in the tabular format and also graphical, both are possible. So simple filtering the data, all the things are possible in Excel, right? These are all the advantages are there in Excel. So next, you can use the web browser or mobile, anything you can able to access the cubes. These are all the advantages are there in the cube. Okay, these are all the advantages. Any queries in this one?
No, I know maybe you're gonna explain during the course, but I'm just curious to know these data sources, ERP, SCM, CRM, GL, data warehouse, does that include any accounting software?
Yes, anything you can use it. If sometime, right? So in some companies they are maintaining so ERP or SCM or CRM or somebody. So based on the company they are maintaining some data source. They want to require data from that data sources. Right?
Oh, that is so good because Navision, the jet reports, they work. Right. But this is great because jet reports work only Navision, Great Plains, and ACPAC. So this is great. So from any accounting software, it can happen the integration and then go to Tm1. That's good.
Oh, good. Okay, that is the main. So, for example, so here two types of jobs are there. One is the Cognos, IBM Cognos Tm1 architect and administrator. Architect or developer. So IBM Tm1 architect or developer. So these are the two types of jobs are available. If you learn the Cognos Tm1, two types of jobs. Admin, architect or a developer. These are the two types of jobs. So first we will discuss, you know, right, admin means installation. So you know, right, so what are the admin role? Installation, install the software, server maintenance, create the groups, add the users, give the security, okay, give the security, schedule the reports, and also deployments and backup, take the backup. These are all the admin role in general. So any tool, not only this one, general tool, any tool you can use it. So these are all the admin role. So here this is the architect is the developer. So main, so Tm1 architect role or developer role or analyst role. These are the similar kinds of jobs. So if your role is architect or developer or analyst, so these are all the things you have done it. Create a dimension, create a cubes, create a subset, create attributes, replication, create a TI process, scheduling, business rules, copy the data, drill through, data spreading, security. These are all the things one by one I will show you on the course. How to create the dimension, what are the ways are there, how to create the cubes, how to create the subset, how to attributes, replication. These are all the things one by one I will show you on the course. These are the main things. If your role is architect, you are doing, these are all the jobs. At the end of this course, all the things we have. Okay. So each one at least 3 to 4 example I will give you. 3 to 4 example I will give you. And so each, for example, dimensions was completed, then 2 workshops are there. Workshop is there on the down. So you can do it your own. If any queries is there, immediately next class I will explain you. Okay, that is the plan of our course. Next, so already I told you, right, turbo integrator. Entire thing is depending on turbo integrator. Here turbo integrator, what is the roles and responsibilities? Create a dimensions, create a cubes, create attributes, load data, create a subset, copy data, export data, save data. These are all the, so if your role is turbo integrator, so turbo integrator, what are the roles and responsibilities? If you connecting to the any data text files or ODBC or ODBO, SAP, Tm1, so anything you will be connected. And once you are connected, these are all the things you have done it. Create a dimension, create a cubes, create attributes, load data. These are all the turbo integrator is doing the role. That's why turbo integrator is the heart of entire Tm1. Okay, these features, this is the, so client aspects. Client can able to use the Excel or web. So these are all the client interface. Client interface. These are all the things client can able to do it. Just you was see the data in the Excel format or web. This is the client perspectives. Okay. Tm1 key features modeling and calculations. So we can do it multidimensional modeling, dynamic cubes, reading and cache engine, in memory, any calculations are there in on the fly calculation is we are calculated, and apply the rules, how to apply the rule editor, advanced rule editor. These are all the things I'll show you later. Okay, so if you are using the Tm1 perspectives, so if you are not using the Tm1, so you can open the Excel. So directly you can MS Office you are using and you can open the Excel. This Tm1 icon was not appeared. When you are using the Cognos Tm1 Excel format or perspectives, then this one Tm1 is came on the Excel. So once we are connected to the Excel, then import the all the things, import the so you are connecting the cube and you can able to see the cubes in the Excel format. So you can modify it. You want to see the tabular format and also chart format, both are possible. These are all the flexibilities are there in the Cognos Tm1. That's why very good market in the Tm1. Okay, so any queries?
No, so far so good.
Okay, here so Tm1 server explorer, each server. So first you will connecting to the admin and password is the by default password is the Apple. By default password is the Apple. So if you create any server, these 6 components are common. These 6 components are common. So application, cubes, dimensions, replication, process, chores. These 6. You are created any server. These 6 are empty. It will be came on the starting. Then you can create the cubes, you can create the dimension, you can create the replication, you can create the process. These are all the things. How to? What is the one by one? I will explain. So first I'll go to the dimension. What is the dimension? A dimension is a collection of elements or attributes or hierarchies. So a dimension is a collection of elements or attributes or hierarchies. That is called dimension. What is the cube? A cube is a collection of dimension. A cube is a collection of dimension. Okay, so that is the cube. What is the replication? Replication means you can copy from cubes from one server to another server. You will go to the replication. You can copy the cubes from one server to another server. You will go to the replication. What is the process? Process means turbo integrator process. So turbo integrator, you know, right? Turbo integrator. Using the turbo integrator, you can do it hot. Entire thing it is a hot. If you know turbo integrator, no use of Tm1. So it can be using the turbo integrator. It is working like a ETL job. It is working like a ETL job. So cubes is completed, dimensions is completed, replication is completed, process. Next, what is the chores? Chores means particular time and date. It can be run. I want to require latest data, latest data. For example, budget cube is there. Every every day early morning 5 o'clock it can be run, and I want to require latest information every day morning 5 a.m. So how to do it? Using the chores. Using the chores. Chores is the scheduling. Scheduling means particular date and time. So you are in USA, right? Your timing is different, my time is different. So I want to require latest data. So how it came? So you can schedule the reports, particular date and time automatically run, and I want to require latest output. So that is called chores. What is the application? Application is a reference. We are creating the cubes, right? On that cubes, what are the documents we are using? What are the things we are using each cube while we are putting a one place, all the documents and everything. For future reference purpose, we are using the application. We are using the application. So these are all the 6 is the common for any server. This is the big box is the sample server. Under these are all the common elements. So these are all at the end of this course. Everything I will show you all the things. Okay. Yes, application means already I explained, right? So backup. Cube means collection of dimensions. Dimension is a collection of attributes. Replication means so you can migrate, so you can copy from cubes from one server to another server. You'll use the replication. What is the process? Turbo integrator process. What is the chores? Chores is a schedule the reports. Okay. So this is the web, how to open the cubes. Okay, this is the turbo integrator. I will show you. Okay, turbo integrator. I will show you turbo integrator. So this is the cube actually. This is the sample cube. So this cube, January, all the year wise, month wise. So this is the revenue. Okay, this is the measure. This is the time dimension. Time dimension here. So you can able to see it. All the things you can able to see it. You want to require year wise 2004 or 2014 for example. You want to require quarter wise. You can click on that one. Drill down. So you can month wise you want to require, drill down. So next level, day wise, up to day wise you can able to see it, all the values. These are all the flexibilities are there in the Cognos Tm1. That's why Tm1 is the heart. So that's why very popular in the Tm1. For example, local server. For example, here application, cubes and replication. These are all the values here. So for example, price cube. Price cube. You want to require year wise, under quarter wise you want to see it, under second quarter you want to require. So based on this, so L series you want to require. What you want to require, you can able to see it. So these are all the flexibilities are there. These are all the flexibilities are there. Other reporting tools not possible. These are all the things. That's why Tm1 is a very popular in the market. So if you turbo integrator you are asking, right? So turbo integrator, this is the process means turbo integrate. Create a new process. That time will be connect to the ODBC text or also anything you can connect it. Anything as a data source you can connect it. Cognos Tm1 or SAVBI or anything you will be connected, and create the variables, advanced setting, parameters, prolog, epilog. These are all the things are there. So this is the scheduling, how to scheduling. These are all the things we will see. Once you have joined the course, I will explain you one by one. Okay, this is the. So next, IBM Cognos integration. It can be possible to Cognos to integrate it, and you can fetch that. You can use it as a tables, reports as a source, and you can create the cubes. These are all the benefits are there in the Cognos Tm1. Okay. So this is the server creation. I will show you on later in the server creation. Okay. So this is the actually our course. Okay. So here so day wise we are providing. So first I'll give the software and I will take the remote control. I will install it in your machine. So I will take the remote control, I will install it in your machine, and we are providing the latest software 10.2.1. And so every day, so day wise, once class is finished immediately I am sending the material for you. So every day class is complete, immediately I will send you the material. Okay, I will send you the material. So this is the every day, day wise every day I am providing. So once your class, so once the class so course training was completed, then I will give the resume, sample resume, what are the roles and the responsibilities and everything I will give. If you want required, so if you want required anything, so entry questions and everything, we are providing the entry questions and everything we are providing. So these are all the our course agenda. Anything else?
Yeah, I have a question if you don't mind. As I see here,
Yes.
so if there is 21 days course?
So total no. So sometime in the so I'm taking the 1.5 hour right in weekends. The total 25 to 30 hours it's taking actually. Weekends I'm taking the 1.5 hour.
So Saturday and Sunday, 1 hour and a half?
Yes. If you interested, so then I will take the weekends. Weekends so 1.5 hour I'm taking the session. That is your
How
choice.
about the
Based on
weekdays? Are you
weekdays.
available weekdays?
Yes. So what time you are preferable? Timings? This same time or?
Weekdays?
Yes,
Yeah, if it's
weekdays.
same time as tonight will be great, but if it's before, doesn't matter.
Okay. So weekdays every day 1 hour, and weekends if you okay, then I will take the 1.5 hour. So I will give the
So
Monday.
how many
So
hours is it all, the course? How many hours is the course?
at 25 hours, 25 to 30 hours. Installation
25 to
and
30 hours?
yes.
So I have a question. Do I get the materials, for example, in a PDF file?
A PDF also I will give you, but this is the corporate material. We are giving the corporate material. All the
Yeah,
things.
materials. That's what I'm saying. Just materials to have in.
Right.
If sometimes, yeah, create dimensions. Sometimes during the work I have some question and thing. I go back to materials and check them.
Yes. I am giving the so PDF also I am giving. This one also I am giving. Both I will give.
Okay.
Yes, I will give.
Good.
Everything.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, tell me.
Okay,
Yes.
how about, for example, I would like, after you explain to me, for example, we work on Saturday and Sunday, I would like to try. Do you have a free demo, 30 days, something, so I can, I can work on it and do something, and if I have any difficulty, I ask you next class.
Correct. That is, so you can record the session your end. So many tools are available in the right. So you can record the session. Okay. Otherwise, if that is your end, so you can use the WebEx tool or something. You can use it. You can record the session. Otherwise, I will record you. I will give the option for you. You can record the everyday session.
So I didn't get the answer. What does it mean, record? Do you have a demo, a software Tm1 demo, so I can work on it, and after 30 days when we're done, you can just, enable it or something?
No, not here. We are giving the licensed software. So not so it is not so if lifelong it is useful for you. So not in the freeware. We are giving the licensed software. So you can use it after 30 days. The course is also completed. Then you can practice it. Not a problem. On that software is.
So you provided for it, right? You provided?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. So you provided a Tm1 demo, right? A software so I can work, and if I have a question, I ask you.
Right. You can ask immediately. Not a problem.
So do you provide it? Do you provide this 30 days demo? I mean, sorry.
Right, you want to require demo classes. You want to see if you later you have any queries are there. You are asking the questions, right?
No, the demo classes. Okay, the classes I'm taking with you, and it's gonna be like tonight, right? Like you show me
Right,
the slides,
right, right.
PowerPoint. No, I mean the software itself, TM1 software. So after we finish the class, I go back. Whatever I did with you, I can just try to do it on my own.
Right,
So
correct.
do you provide that TM1 free trial? Let's say not demo, trial.
Yeah,
30
yeah, I will
days.
give you.
30 days.
Right, that is yes.
Hello, Tina. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tina, this is Nicholas from Max. Actually, we record the appreciation which happened with Hari. We record the appreciation, each and every session. What he is doing, you can recap the session anytime. When you are practicing, you can recap the session. How many times you want, you can recap the session. There is no problem at all. We will give you the option to record, or otherwise we will record ourselves and we will forward to you. You can just download that one. No issues at all. You got my point? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Tina. Have you got my point?
I couldn't, I'm so sorry, I couldn't understand. The line keep cutting and I don't understand.
Okay. What I'm saying means, we will record the session. There is 30 sessions now. 30 sessions. We will record every session. We will forward to you. Otherwise, we will give the option to record yourself. It will be saved in your document file.
Hello?
Srinivas, you can meet it. Please, I will explain her. I will explain her.
So, sorry, I can hear only your voice. The other voice it's talking, I can't barely hear anything. I'm so sorry.
Right. Srinivas, you are in meet it. Dina. So I will. Every
My
day.
name is Diana.
Okay, Diana. Sorry. Okay, Diana. So here. So what happened? So I will give the permission for you to access to record the session every day wise class. So I will give you the permission. You can record the session. That is the one way. Other way, so we are record the session. We will provide the class is completed immediately. We are providing that that session video. We are providing. Don't worry about that one.
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. Maybe you are not understanding my question. I don't want a session to record it. I would like to have on my machine a TM1 software, Cognos TM1. So after I finish the class with you, in my own, I can apply whatever I learned from you, and then
Right.
am I correct?
Yes, right. What happened? I'm installing software in your machine. You can practice your own, not a problem. That is
Perfect.
right.
That's my question. That's my concern. Because if I go to my work in my own and I get stuck somewhere,
Right.
I can't connect with you at the moment. So
Right.
meanwhile, we work together Saturdays and Sunday, and after on Monday evening on my own, I just can practice a little bit. And if I have question next session, I can ask you.
Yes, that is the perfect. Yes.
Okay.
So yes, we are giving all the things installing in your machine. Don't worry, not depending others. So you can practice it your own in your machine, your system.
Perfect.
Right.
All I wanted. This is all I wanted. After you explain to me, I can work on my own and I can tell you, I'm stuck in
Right.
here. Please help me.
Yes, correct. That is the correct. Yes. On the second day, mostly tomorrow I will start your session. Second day only, second or third day I will install the software in your machine. Every day class is I will explain you right. Immediately you can practice it in your machine.
Oh, it's not a big database, right?
Right. Not required. These are all the things.
Okay, perfect. So
Anything else?
Yes,
Yes.
please. Okay, PDF you said it. So if after I finish this course, is it possible, how it works to have a certificate as a TM1 certified? Do you have such a thing?
I have done almost 10 certifications I have done. So if you are once your course is completed, if you are interested, then that is the separate training. So I will intimate you. So batch is formed, then I will intimate you. You can join. So 4 days session is there. You can join. That is the separate. I will tell you later, not now. So once your course is completed, so we are forming the batch. Then I will tell you that time. If you are interested, you can join that course. That is the separate actually.
Okay, perfect. But you still you are going to teach. You are going to be the teacher that teaching this course, right?
Right. I am only teaching that one and this.
For Tm1 certificate.
Yes.
And the exam is online?
The exam is the online only.
So as I understand, it's going to be just exam preparation, I think, right?
Right. Correct. Same thing. If you want to record, it's the right examination code, how to enroll. These are all the things you want to record in this course only. We are guide you. So how to prepare the exam and what are the code, how to enroll it. These are all the things I will explain. If you want to record, I will explain.
Does this course is going to help me for Tm1 certificate?
Yes.
The course that I am willing to take right now with you, does it help for Tm1 certificate?
Yes. If you certification course training is the different, and TM1 this one is different. So we can, if you okay, then if you merge it, so we'll discuss. So that people is there, right? So we'll merge it. If you want to record certification also, I'll take the once course is completed. I will take the 4 days session and I will complete the certification questions. What are the questions are came and everything I will explain you. 3 to 4 days I will explain you. Not a problem.
Oh, perfect. Okay. And I heard about TM1, what was it called? Express and Cognos TM1. No, sorry, Cognos Express and Insight. Are those different?
Cognos Insight is the Cognos BI tool. So if you want to record just 1 hour session, I will explain you in BI. Not a problem.
BA, okay. BI or BA?
BI. Business Intelligent. BI.
BI.
Business Intelligence. Right.
BI,
Business
Intelligent. Okay, that's it. Insight?
Yes.
And Express, it's same thing?
Express is the TM1 only. That one.
Express is TM1 itself?
Yes.
Okay, so when the class start?
So tell me, so first you can check with the Srinivas or Karthik is there, right? You can check them. Then tomorrow onwards we will start it. So they will give you can give the confirmation. They will give the confirmation for me immediately. I will send you the software, and mostly tomorrow onwards we will start the session.
You are starting tomorrow?
Yes.
What time?
So same time, is it okay for you?
Oh, so you are starting weekdays as well, right?
Right. You want to record weekdays or weekends you want to record? That is your choice. So first, what is your timing? So your flexible timing and...
See, for the moment, I don't know. I would like to start right away, but I have to check my schedule at my work.
Okay.
So, because sometimes I come late from work, so I'm not sure. Can I answer you tomorrow if I take weekends or tomorrow right away?
Okay. So timing is...
I will give you an answer by tomorrow.